Very tender na ang atong pork feet. Pork feet. Super tender na. With Carlang. Carlang na binigay ni Madam Carla. Thank you, Daddy Gatla. Nabutangan ako og lemongrass. Lemongrass. Pero sa puro kami itong ikilo-kilo. With lemongrass na siya. Arte-arte. Kaya palit mo ta og tanglad. Kung iagi itong freezer. Sinana na galing. Palit mo daghan. Binulto nga gulay or unsa i-freezer. Madali madaot. Sayang madaot. Ang sigo ang gulay-gulay. Gulay-gulay. Especially sa gulan og pork na ang pork loin para na po tayo makaon na unod-unod lagi na sa mga batuta hindi na sa mga humot na kayo kung sa nagilap ang 345 ang 648 345 445 545 3 hours pa rin lang nila kaay aning sa kung natubin nga po humot na kayo humot na kayo sulat ang 3 hours para di malata so yan manihapon yan luto-luto na. Basta sinabaw. Yummy na sila basta soup. Basta soup. Is that good? Yes, na siya kwan. Pork feet bone. Yeah, I put you a bone na. Ezekiel natos. Not na siya magkuan sa bone. Basta soup na sila. Yummy na sila guys. Is that good fat? Yeah. Very good na sila mag-eat. Basta na yung soup. Hanggang bata ay. Hanggang na late. Late lang atong eating ha. Because mommy boiled it very good so it's very soft. Yummy si Matias. Oh, how was it?
That was super delicious. How many percent you love it?
100%. Ito soup ah. Grabe na ilang kaon basta soup. Yan Matias ha. Basta ang hapit na. Ezekiel almost lang yung soup. Like na ng bongbong. There's bone like na si Matias mag tikol-tikol. Titawagan na magkuting-kuting. Ito po. There's napkin here na. Saan yung kuan ni Ruben? Nahibilan. Nakuan ko na. Ang sana na. Sunog. Sunog. Lain ang napilid ang color. Yeah. I think it burned. I don't know what happened to that.
That is the color of it, right?
No, yeah. No, yeah, maybe this is the natural color because this one I think the varnish, so I don't know. Because it faded. Yum si Matias. Ay, Ezekiel. Basta mag-soup na sila kini ang akong bowl. Mag sa cereal bowl. So they will just bring it in here, the soup. Tapos na yung ice ang ilahang soup. Itong ice cubes. Madali mabugnaw kaya gusto mo na sila mo hanghab dayon. Look at some more. We're watching a history war. Hindi ko na ma-happy na si mami mag-watch basta you guys are eating all the time. Very good. Let me know if you want more rice. There's more rice in there and soup. Okay? Mingon po nagkaon po.
The rest of us here, no one dies. Starting now.
Matias like that. The fat, pork feet. Oh, finish naman si Ezekiel. Oh, Matias too. All the rice done. They're working on the corn and the pork feet.
Yummy!